How to pay credit card bill with another credit card. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do, well, there are not or no direct ways to transfer or pay your credit card bills using another credit card. Here are some indirect ways. So first thing is a balance transfer to another credit card. So a balance transfer is a common method to address the outstanding credit card debt. It refers to transferring the balance from one card to another. So usually with a lower interest, you can apply to this and then transfer or balance transfer to another credit card. And then here's another option, cash advance. It's using a cash advance on one credit card to pay another card's bill. Simply go to an ATM, use the credit card that allows cash advances, and withdraw the amount you need. And then next deposit this cash into your savings account and use that money to pay the bill on your other credit card. And then lastly is using an e-wallet or a payment app. So another way to make a credit card to credit card payment is via an e-wallet or a digital payment app. So choose a digital payment app or a wallet that allows you to link multiple credit cards or add your credit cards to the Apple and Apps wallet section. Use one of your link cards to add money to your e-wallet and then go to the payment section, choose the credit card you want to pay off and use the funds you have loaded to clear or reduce the balance. And those are the ways on how you can pay your credit card bill using another credit card.